Are you giving your buyers a financial plan to get into the home? I'll explain next on Agent Hacks. There are so many different terms and different ways numbers are getting calculated for sales right now because of the incredible market conditions that have made it so competitive for buyers. We're seeing people make up appraisal differences between the appraised value and the purchase price. We've seen people waive mortgage commitments and waive mortgage contingencies, all these different things that are playing with the numbers. And what I found is this: a lot of buyers can get lost in the figures. And it is the agent's responsibility to give what I call financial plan to get into the home. So what I mean is this. This is a simple hack, very easy to do, and you should be doing this for every person you meet. Even if you're showing them a property the first time, once you do your pre-qual, you find out how much money they're putting down, if they're getting a loan, if they're not, all those different particulars about their situation. Once you determine that, give them an estimated closing cost sheet. And instead of going through all the different charges, the lender fees, the appraisal fee, the tax escrows, title insurance, forget all that stuff. Print out the buyer's closing costs based on the asking price for the home and how much money they're putting down. And then at the very bottom, they're going to total two numbers for you: how much cash to close and what the monthly payment's going to be. And once you determine both of those, circle both of those numbers and make it simple, because we know that when you make things simple, it's a lot easier to explain, right? Break down the numbers and say, hey, Mr. Buyer, here is your cash to close and here's your monthly payment. Are you okay with this? Is that in line with your budget? This is the buyer's financial plan to get into the home. And not enough agents give this up front. Some buyers are surprised when they have closing costs or escrows, or they don't know how seller assist works. So the easiest thing you can do is pre-qualify everyone no matter what, because you should be doing that anyway. That's real estate 101 in my view. And once they're pre-qualified, when you meet them at the appointment, have a sample closing cost sheet ready. This is really easy to do. Most MLSs, you can click a button. I know you can do this with Bright, which is the MLS that we use. You click a button, put in a couple particulars, and out comes the closing cost estimate. You need to know how much money down, what the rate is, settlement date, and any additional charges that might not appear there. And once you formulate all that, you've got your financial plan for your buyers. It takes maybe 2 minutes to prep and will position you as the knowledge broker and the expert about how to get them into the home with the cash they're working with and their budget for a monthly payment. Pretty simple. A lot of people don't do it, and we know the game is implementation. This is an amazing hack. Do it today. Everyone you meet with, show them that financial plan. You're going to jump your closing ratio, and more importantly, you're going to earn trust, win more clients, and ultimately sell more houses. We'll catch you next week. Thanks for watching.